On camera too. Alright, today we're going to be reviewing Penelope and Water for Elephants by Sara Gruen. It's her third book. All of them are bestsellers. This one's on the New York Times bestsellers list. It's Leslie's book that I've read, so it's in a different genre.
Kind of like realistic fiction.
Realistic fiction, drama. Takes place modern day as a flashback to the 1910s. Recap the story for us.
Okay, so the main character, he's a student at school and he's going to become a veterinarian, but then some tragic event occurs in his life that causes him to leave school before he takes his last final. And so he runs off on the road and he ends up being a veterinarian for a circus, and the rest of the story takes place with him being a part of the circus.
Yep. It takes place over the course of like 3 days, and the circus portion is like the course of a year as flashbacks. It's probably a romance, I would say, but more of like a drama romance. There's it's not mushy, cheesy kind of romance. It's mostly like circus life, and it's very, very realistic because most of her facts she's taken from other stories, other historical accounts of what circus life is about.
What's really like back in that time.
Yeah. So it keeps it interesting for all of us guys that don't like to read really cheesy, girly romance novels, but it's still a romance. And
since the main character is a male, it's written more from a male's perspective, which is really difficult for a female writer to do.
She does a great job. Never a dull moment in the story. It's really easy to read, start to cover. Terrific finish on it. Love the ending. I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10.
I would too.
And Penelope says, I'm a bat.
No, she doesn't know what's going on.
Yeah, look at the camera.
Look at the camera, Nappy.
Alright, well.
Bye.
Check in for more reviews.